The setting is quiet. The craftsmanship is timeless. Every space is designed for the way you live today. Nestled on a cul-de-sac in West Linn's sought-after Barrington Heights, this custom home is conveniently located near parks, shopping, restaurants, and outdoor recreation, while offering more than 5,300 square feet of beautifully appointed living space. Inside, discover soaring ceilings, elegant millwork, and masterful craftsmanship throughout. The remodeled chef's kitchen is both refined and functional, featuring premium appliances, generous prep space, quartz countertops, a walk-in pantry, and seamless flow into the dining and outdoor living areas, ideal for entertaining or quiet evenings at home. The formal dining room adds an elegant setting for hosting, while nearby a private office with custom built-ins offers a beautiful workspace with peaceful garden views. The main-level primary suite offers a relaxing retreat with a spacious sitting area, a private balcony perfect for enjoying morning coffee or tea, a spa-inspired bath, and an oversized custom closet with direct access to the laundry room for everyday convenience. Upstairs, additional bedroom suites with Jack and Jill baths provide flexible accommodations for family, guests, work-from-home needs, or multi-generational living. Downstairs, a spacious bonus room with a built-in bar and a separate exercise room offer endless possibilities. Outside, multiple patios, mature landscaping, and the calming sound of the waterfall create a peaceful setting that feels private in every season. Thoughtfully designed, meticulously maintained, and located in one of West Linn's most desirable neighborhoods, this is luxury living that's as comfortable as it is impressive. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.